morning, one and all present here. I am P. Muthuswamy, Physics faculty for Svb Neet Coaching Center, Sakrambalayam, Namakkal. The question is very important one. So, the lesson number 1, electrostatics, title Gauss's law. The question is based on Gauss law question. It is a very important for NEET and JEE students and plus 2 state board students also. We can expect the question in your annual examination. If the electric flux is entering and leaving an enclosed surface respectively. Enclosed surface here entering pi 1 and leaving pi 2. Pi 1 and pi 2. The electric charge inside the surface will be dash. Electric charge inside surface. Here, according to the given data, they are giving electric flux pi 1 and pi 2. At the same time, they are asking electric charge. Here, charge and electric flux is given. So, the given data, we have to find out the answer. That is very good, important one. Electric flux. So, here Gauss law, pi electric flux equal to Q by epsilon naught. This is a key concept. This is a Gauss law. At the same time, we have to find out the value of electric charge, Q value. We have to find out the Q value. Q into epsilon naught equal to Q. So, epsilon naught already we have discussed about permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space already we have discussed. In a enclosed surface, entering, electric flux is entering and leaving. Entering means, so electric flux entering means, this is a, for example, this is a proton. Proton is radially outward. You know very well. At the same time, electron, this is a radially inward. This is a radially inward. This is misconcept. Already we have discussed. This is a misconcept. This is a inward. First, the given data electric flux entering. This is a electron based. This is in a enclosed surface. Electron entering, the value is given pi 1 and leaving representing proton, the value is pi 2 given. This is entering, this is leaving, this is leaving, this entering and leaving. So here pi E representing net electric flux, epsilon naught Q. Net means here pi 1 outward minus inward. So net means, for example, for suppose we are going to calculate in plus 1 efficiency mean output. So output by efficiency equal to output by input. So like that, here this electron is entering, the proton is leaving. Here net electric flux means pi 2 minus pi 1. Why? Because pi 2 is leaving, representing proton. This is pi 1 is electron, this is entering. Pi 2 minus pi 1 can be called as a pi net into epsilon naught equal to Q. So, pi 2 representing proton, this is radially outward, output, otherwise output. This is input. So, net means output minus input into epsilon naught Q. So, the electric charge Q equal to pi 2 minus pi 1 into epsilon naught. This is a correct answer. So, option A is correct. Because this much amount of charge is inside a surface, enclosed surface. So, option A is a correct answer. Okay. So, D is a wrong answer. Why? Because D is wrong. Why? Because pi net means output minus input. Output is here representing proton. So leaving input is representing electron. Output minus input. Output can be represented by pi 2. Pi 2 minus pi 1 into epsilon naught equal to q. This is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer.